welcome back to this channel where we empower your existence with focus on your health and vitality. So today, I thought about how busy life is and will always be. The first thing that struck my mind after waking up this morning in preparation for the day's activity is breakfast. Yes, breakfast, first meal of the day. This meal is considered crucial because it replenishes the body's energy levels and provide essential nutrients after a night of rest. Oh yeah, the choice of breakfast often depends on individual dietary preferences, cultural influences, and health considerations, right? But always remember that eating a balanced breakfast is regionally recommended for maintaining energy level, supporting our cognitive function, and promoting overall health. Okay, therefore today, I'll be taking you through the steps of preparing bean cake, popularly known as Akara. This is highly nutritious and quick to put together once prepared. Alright, so please like this video, subscribe, and put on your notification bell to get our video anytime it's posted. I start by soaking my beans in water for 15 minutes and put it inside my blender to help loosen the back more. After that, I'll still bring it out. So I'll pour the beans inside my washing bowl. So here in the bowl, I will have to squeeze and wash off the skin of the beans. I will have to continue washing it till all the back of the beans are off. So this is to ensure that my beans is very clean and neat. Oh, you know what? This is a simple to prepare meal and yet highly nutritious that both children and adults alike love, and it has been an age-long delicacy for almost every family in Nigeria and other countries, irrespective of tribe, ethnicity, and religion. So that's why I'm encouraging you to try out this meal. Honestly, you won't regret it. Just follow the step, process, the method used here, and it's going to turn out good for you. Then here we are still trying to wash the beans. Yeah, it looks complicated, but it's really easy. Just pour the water in your beans and keep on squeezing. Oh, okay, here the beans is ready for blending. Yes, and this is the back, what I washed off from the beans. Now, I will have to put my beans inside the blender. Put all of it. After that, I'm going to pour in a little water. Don't put too much water because we need the beans. We need to form a thick batter, like very smooth one. We want it thick. Okay, just give it some time. Leave it for some time in your blender. If you need to blend it 2, 3, 4 times, how many times you need to, you have to do that. Blending the beans very well help it to maintain that soft and fluffy texture on the inside. So finally, these are the ingredients I am going to use for my beans ball cake. That's Akara. I have my habanero pepper, I have my onions, I have my crayfish, I have my seasoning, iodized salt. We already discussed the importance of these ingredients to the body. Their anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, and medicinal properties. The second step is to blend all these ingredients together. So I'll have to put my seasoning, crayfish. Crayfish is optional. If you like, you can use it, but I love using crayfish for my food. I'll put my onions and a salt with a little water. Then blend all of them together very well. Here is ready. We have to pour it inside the batter. Stir it well enough. Make sure it's well mixed. So by then our oil on the stove getting prepared. Here we are going to do a deep frying. So we have to be careful. We have to start by molding the batter in a tennis ball size, adding them into the oil. While doing that, be careful not to dip your finger inside the oil. You don't have to be an expert to do it anyway. You can use your spoon, but I want mine to have that circular shape. So one good thing about this bean cake is that after preparing it, you can keep them in your fridge. Use them anytime you want in the morning. That's why I said in the beginning of this video that it's quick to put together once prepared. So back on the pan, you have to keep on turning the akara, turning it. We have to keep on frying it until it becomes golden brown and crispy on the outside while maintaining that soft and fluffy texture we want on the inside. As you can see, we are turning it on, and here is now golden brown as we want it to. So you get it out and put it on your pan, on your tray. And please don't forget that once fried, the bean cake are drained on paper towel to remove excess oil. Then the meal is ready. This food can be enjoyed as a snack, appetizer, or a part of a complete breakfast. You find out that some people serve akara with custard, pap, or ogi. Then over here, I'm making mine with custard. I'm trying to prepare custard. My kids love taking akara with custard. Alright, so thank you for always watching our YouTube channel. You can try this at home and make sure to write me how your own turned out. Don't forget, we bring you healthy tips about your health every week. Thanks for watching.